Now, as we said before, we're going to see each model, but for enter to this model, we need to see first the maintaining model, right? We can see here the promotions that we going to sell. This model manage all the prom that we're going to sell in the system. These prom are loaded by the data that we download in the pay, right? We can see here that we have the name of the promotion. This is the name of products that we have in the pay system, the quantity of the products that are collect, those that are free, the price of each one, and the kind of product that is the gift, and the amount of the prom, right? And we can deactivate in any moment, so we don't have all the promo activated, because we have right now 1,137 records. That is too much for system, so we have to disable those promo that are not active anymore, right? We can do it right here. We can add a new one right here. We can put the name products that are collect, the name, the quantity of product are free, the amount total, and the status, right? So after that, we can create a new prom. We need to add all the products to the prom as well. So in the list that we can display right here, we can modify the basic data, or we can add products. Right here we can see all the quantity to the prompts and the product and the price. We click here and add, and we can display all the list of the new products. In this case, we're going to let's delete this. This is varicose set. We can add again. We can see here, and we put the amount. Add ready. We can have the varicose set 27, and here we go. We can see the list of the products right here. This has to be prepared before we can load all the orders, because one of the errors that the system validates is if this exists. We have the couriers. This is all the list of couriers that we have recorded in the system. Not all of them are working right now, but all this is the list of the courier that we can to assign orders, right? This is RPC official. This data is from the database of national security. We obtaining from the government, and we have all the region, all the province, all the cities for say like that. We can modify. We can see the couriers that are access to that location, and we can delete it. So we can add a new one. But this data is we need to validate it before we can register in the system. For obviously we have to avoid those errors that can try problems to the orders. This right here is the locations to associate to the courier, right? We have all the couriers right here. We can see then this is Blue X, this is Via Eco, this is, let's go to another page, to the last one. We can personalizado, that was Christian Transport, ANG, Element, Via Eco. Those are the location that this courier attends, and the time of the deliver, the priority, the cost of the COD is this one. This is the cost that the courier collect for making the deliver. This is the cost of deliver a devolution, and this is some observation that we can add to the location. This information has to be set before the load of the orders. This is the branches of the company. The branches just was created with the idea that maybe we can have a branch in another city, another region from Chile, and that we can add a new one here. So we can create another one. This maybe 3 we can put here. I don't know, conception, and we have here another branch. So this has to be set before, right? Just like I said, because all the products, the inventory moves around these branches, right? This is the type of emails to associate to every courier. This is a process that we didn't finish because the notifications that the system has to send emails to the courier was not able to comply, but was because Manuel Garcia didn't set this part of the information. So we can build this, but we have no purpose to use it, but it's right there. Type of observation. This is all the type of observation that we use to load the kind of problems that are associated to every order, right? This is the type of observation. We have here the type of process. The type of process, it's who, in this case, use the information to register in the system, and this type of causal have relation between type of process and the name of the causal. This is the information to be accurate, for every order. The idea of this was in the future we could be download a report for this kind of information, and we can use it for statistics for better process, right? So we can see to this video only this kind of this model that is previously have to be used and set it to can understand and use the rest of the system.